Hey there, quick review and demo of this Vereno bike foot pump. Really nice, robust pump, nice gauge on it, and overall good quality build. It's got dual cylinders on the back here. You can see to open it up, we'll simply slide these two yellow pieces forward and the foot pump will open up. Here you see those dual cylinders a little bit closer. That really makes this for a very stable foot pump whenever you push down. The gauge is also excellent. It's large so you can see it really well, and it goes up to 160 PSI, which is going to be ideal for your bike tires that require a lot of PSI. With the foot pump, we've got about a 3-foot hose here, and they've done a really nice job on the end here. You've got your hose, simply put it over your bike tire valve and lock it down. It'll lock on. You don't need to hold it in place. But then also they've got these 3 additional tips for pumping up balls, soccer balls, basketballs, etc., air mattresses, so on and so forth. And if you want to use one of those tips, it's really easy. Just pop it in the end and then lock it in, and you're ready to pump up a ball, no problem. So that's a really nice feature also, to have all of those right here on the end. Here I've got a bike tire that is completely flat. Pop it over the end here, lock it on. And I can see here I'm at 38 PSI. Feels pretty good. Go ahead and pop that off and we're good to go. I've also got a basketball here that is completely flat, so I'll swing my tip over here into place, lock it in. So really well made, heavy duty, feels great using it. You can use it pumping it with your hand or your foot, either way. And whenever you're done, just slide this forward, hang it on your wall. Very nice, well made, robust bike pump. Works really well.